So what do you think? How easy is to change the filters on the GoPro 12? So I got here my GoPro 12 Black Edition, which says on the side, and recently I've purchased some ND filters for this GoPro because I really need some ND filters, especially when recording during the Saturday. So I wasn't aware how to change the ND filters before, so since I'm having this GoPro, I've never took off the standard lens off. So let's have a look in this video, and I'm going to show you how you can change. It's pretty easy how to do it, and it's straightforward. So first of all, so your GoPro on the side, and I will gonna choose a filter for the GoPro, and let's have a look which ones. So you know what, let's put ND filters 1000. Cool. So that's my ND filters on the side next to the GoPro. Now it's time to take off the standard lens. So to do that, what you're gonna have to do is basically pull this a bit to you, and then try to turn it around. So on my occasion it will be towards me. So it is coming off right now, and as you can see here, the standard lens is off, and that's the GoPro without the lens. So now we're gonna put the ND filters on the GoPro. You can put any filters to the GoPro as long as they designed for the GoPro. So now I will gonna take off my ND filter, which is 1000, and I'm gonna put it on the GoPro. So what you have to do, basically put on this side and screw in like that, and that is pretty simple and pretty straightforward. It's nothing complicated, it's just the first time to take this off. I think it's much more harder to take the standard lens off than third-party ND filters. So to take off the third-party ND filters, it's pretty easy, and I was surprised how easy. You don't need to pull anything, you literally just unscrew it. It's like screw it and then unscrew it. So that's pretty straightforward how to change the ND filters on the GoPro. I think you can change the same way on the GoPro 13, but do not take it from me because I don't have the GoPro 13, but that's how you can change the ND filters on GoPro 12. So that's pretty simple video I want to show you, and I will also gonna show you what videos does turn with ND filters and without ND filters, because that's the reason I have purchased ND filters for the GoPro, just to make sure I got the best quality of my footage. So that's pretty much. Thanks a lot for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, thumbs up as well. Any questions, ask in the comments, and if you want to talk more about this, or you want to have more chat to me, feel free to join myprochannel.com. It's pretty easy to join, and it's also free to join, and also we can talk any subject on that community, because that's the reason I've built that community for my subscribers or any people who needs help on tech. So again, thanks a lot for watching this short video, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.